Hi children, we started the lesson metric measurements. In the last class, we studied how to convert kilometer and a meter, meter and a centimeter. Today, we will study the conversion of kilogram. How to convert into kilogram and a gram, and how to convert into liter and a milliliter. All of you please listen here. To convert into kilogram and gram, first we know the equation. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So first question is convert 1298 gram. How you convert? We know that 1 kilogram, right here 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 1298 gram equal to 1298 divided by 1000 equal to how many zeros? 3 zeros. So count 3 place 1, 2, 3. This much gram and this is the kilogram. This is the remainder. This is a quotient. So quotient is the kilogram and remainder is the gram. 298 gram. Second question. 2815 gram. We know that for every question you have to write the equation. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. 2815 gram equal to 2815 divided by 1000 equal to 2 kilogram 815 gram. 3 zeros. So count 3 places. 3 places goes to these 3 places become the gram and the quotient. This place, the place that left become the kilogram. One more question. 3096 gram. We know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 3096 gram equal to 3096 divided by 1000 equal to 3 zeros, 3 places. This will become the gram. This is a kilogram. 3 kilogram 96 gram. Okay. Then look into the next question, how to convert into liter. Look here, convert into liters and milliliters. Here also the equation is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This equation you have to by heart. Put it in the box and study. Okay. We can write the first question. 1750 milliliter. To convert this into liter, we have to divide by 1000 equal to 1750 divided by 1000 equal to 3 0. So 3 places will become the remainder. 1 place is left. This place becomes the liter. 1 liter 750 milliliter. For milliliter, write small m and capital L. Then second question. These are all the four equation you have to by heart. Okay. 1890 milliliter. We know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. 1890 milliliter equal to, from this equation only we can write this step. 1890 divided by 1000, that is equal to 30. So we take these three places. This will remain as the milliliter and this will left as the liter. 1 liter 890 milliliter. Look at the third question. 3005 milliliter. We know 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 3005 milliliter equal to 3005 divided by 1000 equal to 3 places. Here this is liter, 3 liter. Here only 5 milliliter. Okay. All these four equations you have to by heart and study well. Okay.